Imperatives. Imperatives are used to give commands or to make requests. They can also be used to give warnings or directions. Imperatives. Imperatives are formed using the base form of the verb, the infinitive without to.
Stop.
An exclamation mark is used if the imperative is urgent. The base form of the verb, to stop. Further examples.
Get up. Be careful. Give that to me. Eat your breakfast. Help. Read this book.
Negative imperatives. Do not or don't can be added before the verb to make an imperative negative.
Do not turn right. Don't turn right.
Further examples.
Don't eat that cake. I just painted that door. Don't touch it. Don't rush. I'm not in a hurry. Don't sit there. That chair is broken.
Subjects with imperatives. An imperative sentence does not usually have a subject, but sometimes a noun or a pronoun is used to make it clear who is being talked to.
Everybody sit down.
Further examples.
Philip, come here. Someone open the window. You stay there.
For emphasis, you can be used in an imperative clause.
Have fun, and
The subject can also be placed at the end. Polite requests. Imperatives in English can be considered rude. Words can be added to make them more polite.
please close the door.
Please can be placed before the imperative verb to make a request more polite.
Just give me a minute, please.
Just can go before the imperative. Please can also be placed at the end of the sentence.
Do come in.
Do can go before the imperative verb to make a request more formal. Making suggestions with let's. Let's can be used to make a suggestion for an activity that includes the speaker.
It's sunny today. Let's go out.
Base form.
It's cold. Let's not go out.
Not goes after let's to form the negative.